Yeah, Mama Joe and Mama Kwaba at the back. Ghana Got Talent, Jumedie, Ekoso, Ewo Kumewu TV. And then you ray, Yamama Tanasi, near Damasin, so some watch a bre. Namo be sharing ewo competition yi emo ene eye 6 week na ene o he said ye mafade ne city ene nwum ni twa kona na che say what one pan ene ye ko Jamaica eye reggae ene nwumre contestants no e de ebremo inti tami chuku na hye every so no maboaboa wo mo ho Ghana fana ba bia ne yakini adoma chede ne mo ahodo ene ye be hye reggae said you may see other than omo ho reggae enwumo inti ye twa ye ho na ye ba ye beto adwumade no eso Emo akwaba edeba Ghana Got Talent Jumedie eso said ye medin kan ye no ene eye reggae ena ye betwa gu ede ama na Jumedie mu wona waso yasene emiade brewo eye Champion Training Institute o se wo pe biogas biodigester CCTV installation brawo no makache ewo adehia markets omo office ba konso opatase na ne wo pe no ye be ya ma wonum number eh 0244 568 912 0244 568 912 wofra wo benya Champion Training Institute afensi o na Kiuski Massage and Wellness Center na Kiuski o se wo hen na ye wo ya wusisi wojonku wuchepe ehemfa na etutu wo bra yemfa won to ho ne ye massage o yentene wapom na wo ho ensisi wo ho so wonum nso e wo Patase Depot Junior Road no ufiri wo so ana wo ko Ambassador Church eso wo nso se frɛ won e wo 0242 932 000 o friend na Kiuskia wo beje wo so na afe wa ma massage ama wo ho atɔ afe Anolin Royal Enterprise so say ene wo pe church instruments papa ne wo bomu na anyomtofo no to nwom a asa asorabofo e na e to nwom no bra wo no makache church instruments papa microphones radio and TV equipment wo pese wo TV ani efe etese Kumawu TV a ye kasa ya okun alone na ono nso obema wo mfidie ni bi kama cameras microphone bibi biara wo hia Anolin osebra live band or the mahan sound system or the enonso Emma or Chronom Adonko Junction a ho and a wutia or send a number a 0244 073 525 Ghana baby biara wo ofrena or better so normal and yeme ebi the number no a 0244 073 525 a face so your New Eden Herbal Clinic. On also say a stroke natural na pelvic pain. I think so low sperm count. And near my heart attack. A dear no yari, a dear na air how. Brawonu makacho mo Patase Depot. A ho ana New Eden Herbal Clinic. Etuya or sebra. Nian show up pum. Way a nubnane hahama. And ye this how yari. One so number a 0245 350 641 0245 350 641 ofre New Eden Herbal Clinic ha ono so beje wo so na wa pomu ayodin weinom enoma so yasen edi dwumade no ebro afa ye media partners Kumawu TV sa wo tifie na so wa ye board wakọ adwuma aba wabre wani nka o pe ba bia hye adwetwe wo ho amwani age a Kumawu TV o se hye wonum na ye die mo de efiri ye memu ha ene ye de ma wo na eye papa eno ene ye de brewo afi your Bright TV o se stay joyful ono so entertainment fabra omo be ma wo pepepe na aye kama e wo ho ukọ YouTube a Ubenya ye Samdakus TV. Samdakus TV SAMDACKUS. Samdakus TV YouTube. Oshe honswa. ubenya yen Facebook Kumawu TV ko follow yen na fe share live videos ne live bibia ewo ho ye dwumede ye di nyina ye channel live ewo Facebook okọ ho nso obenya yen Kumawu TV u follow yen na ubenya yen ewo ho na na sanya meka ye no ye to dwumede ne so ne ye to aso a na eye reggae me yese medie pan Wataguan ene no eye Jamaica inti time chuku na sheye ne ye first contestants no eye Western North and our free Sahiyoso akontomra munyina monya kunya na yenhye or yes samini nyuma yatu din say my own samini nyuma yatu din say my own ni din ene dance right yenhye ni profile
Got talent.
I will lay God fight. I will always treat you right. So be my ride or die. Hello Ghana, it's your boy. Damn right. And I'm part of Kumawu TV Ghana Got Talent 2020. What's my mobile niaji? I want you to download the Ghana Got Talent 2020 app on Google Play Store. Go download it via search Damn right. Vote as many times as you can. Tomami, that means stay in the competition. We are bringing you the best, and I promise to bring you the best. Watch me on Kumawu TV this and every Saturday. Ghana Got Talent 2020. Le, 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 le. Are you ready for Dance Right? Le, 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 le. Dance right again. Nene oko yoso. Mene oko bosso, mene oko shiso, mene oko shiso, 'cause you are my own. Girl, you are my own. Champion band, are you ready? I want, let's go. Yeah, yeah, that's right. I rearrange the alphabet so I could put you next to letter I. Take my heart, baby, carry go. If you leave me, maybe I go die. The tone as soon as this kete kete or cabra footy china no ye wese. Nisi mujra smile sere sere. Penny once a minute no chele chele. Yeah, me bibi ni brownie, yeah. Golden tree chocolate. Mincha totally, yeah. Each and every day, me na bidi. Let me see your hand, come on. Yeah, my own. That time I did chase, I'm the no money day. My own. See my hot baboshito, I did grind for my kenke. My own. Like the air, I did feel them for everywhere I did go. My own. Come on. See the money, baby, come chop out for me, eh. And then me say one kind of WhatsApp me, WhatsApp me. Other man you lonely brand I bet chatting me, girl. Are you ready? Wait till me can carry you, champagne and now see Malibu, eh? And then I eat it just for two. Me don't want me don't baby, yeah, my own. That time I did chase, I'm there no money deal. My own. See my hot baboshito at the ground for my kenke. Let's go. My own. Like the air, I dey feel them for everywhere I dey go. My own. See the money, baby, come chop on for me. And then maintain one kind of WhatsApp him, yeah. WhatsApp him, yeah. Other my lonely brand, I bet chatting, yeah. Chatting me, girl. Let's go. Wait time I can carry you. Champagne and now we see Malibu, eh? And then I eat it just for two. Oh, damn me now me don't see baby. So let's sing at home. My own. That time I did chase, I'm there no money deal. My own. See my heart, my bushito at the ground for my kenke.
Okay, so that was Dance Right. And Penny Forces Sankofa Hui. Yentri, Miss Ramo, and the judges are what's not Jumwa, Yanu Mudi Jumano, Aye, Mustafa Isa Zerba, Alhaj Emai, Owaha, a face Sunana Boatsma, Ewaha, and I feel Reverend Dr. Isaac Asumedu ɔno nso wɔ ha na mabobo wɔ onum din no na kyerɛ sɛ me jai dance right ama wɔ mo na ɔma hwɛ performance no.
Yes, dance right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you've done well. I like your introduction. You made it your own. Yet, but on stage, be mindful. Don't always sing to the band. You are singing to us, the audience. You can go on a bigger stage where you won't see the band. Where who band now? How do you come? So, yen your audience, you know. Look at us. And oh yeah, they're about our pitch, you know. And this song involves a lot of modulation. Next time, a corner, and your flat, sir. Okay? By no, why are they? Why?
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Inti sa wo pese dance right eka dwumadi animo fa phone no. Ofa phone na ko Google Play Store. Download the Ghana Got Talent application. No download dia. Abrante FFF ne picture wom. Uhu ani din no eye dance right. Afe mia vote ne so. Dodo a obetumi a vote bia bomoden ne vote ma no na wonka dwumadi no emo. Afe ye to aso a ne oba no oye poet. Ne din ene art shine na ene oye bibia eye ne poem no title ene history of reggae. Yensha ne profile.
Got talent.
Ghana Got Talent 2020. I was some person who keep him or competition way more. Who call Google Play Store. Now we download the Ghana Got Talent app. Now patrol vote man Muslim. Nti to me here vote to Liberty Industry. Look okay. Ni dancing ni omo nungwa. Ni Pentecost sorry. Thomas Nako Temple. Pentecost sorry bia. Patrol mo share me Saturday when Saturday bia. E wo kuma TV. Ghana Got Talent 2020. Me da
is a style of popular song that was originated in Jamaica as an evolution of the lifestyle of the Jamaicans. It became an international song in the year 1970s. Reggae is derived from reggae, a Jamaican phrase of words which means rags or rag clothing. It's an emotional song that is played by the Jamaicans. Reggae is also made. Reggae is also made by the Jamaicans. It employs only the 4-beat sounds driven by drums, bass guitar, electric guitar, and describers, and with detonation sound of cho 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 cho, always making reggae music a lovely one. It employs not only the Jamaicans but also people in Jamaica. Reggae music was originated in Jamaica. Reggae, Dila Himani, the Jamaican Empire, Hila Sabani, who
Cho. Art shine. Judges.
Yes, art shine. Yes, you know, you are a poet. But with this performance, I was expecting you to just tell us a story. Okay? Just go straight and tell us the history of reggae without making it sound poetic. And your poetry was very flat. There was no modulation. I always tell you that if you want to do poetry, you are painting with words. You paint for us to see with your words. But you say it's like a friend is saying speech and prize giving day, okay? So it's not every day now sound poetic. Just tell us what you want. What dress it come? I like the way you dress. I like the guitar. Now make us about BB crack. Why are they? But next time, you know, just be mindful. And your words, most of the time, brofono. So, brofono. I don't know if you need diction. Okay.
Okay. Inti. Hey, art shine. Chile. Not just say at sign no. And I was say history of reggae. Open so kajumedia moi for phone no. Download the Ghana Got Talent application no. E will Google Play Store or download the we are. Now if you vote yama at shine na wakajumedia no emo. Afe your next contestant or or no ananyum. And also you reggae or send a title a coronavirus or tonyum nidin any Paul G. Yen share ni profile.
Got talent.
We are my boy 4G. No, I'm so in the building. The next rap kina or Ghana. Mr. All said the opposite with you 4G rap no. If you know since you, Mr. Mo, we Ghana Got Talent. You made you know Anasha, you know. If Mr. competition no make a match, you vote and the mama came. Until the way I say, we call a Google Play Store. Now I go down the Ghana Got Talent app no. Now I show you in a 4G. Now I vote your man. Me that's.
Coronavirus, we just they wonder how you killing us. I think it's serious. Marvelous, we cannot even trouble to our breath. But that's close, what are we going to do with the passport? Coronavirus, we just they wonder how you killing us. I think it's serious. Marvelous, no purpose for killing us. But that's close, what are we going to do with the passport? Hey, in the building. In the beginning, somebody like I said, "Baby, born me no young Jendi." I did your phone number 2018. I can't say be up with BD. It is not going to such a while, no so bad than she a prophecy. And so you me for what time and quite. I'm afraid the BCSC and the lockdown and the better cases confirmed. So you me and Fafia all condemned. No more school could only a better program. Single house is staying here, friends. Take a photo by Mama Town from 10. It's like some that was staying here to be the so size again. But now, US, China, Italy, France, Rwanda, Norway, Nigeria, also free from Corona. UK, brother, now confirmed case in Ghana. This area never and fancy a 4K and our vagina. So stay home, capital in the Pahusia here from Casamaya did to your tombo and to another town for the home. Much more companies open your home. So 20 about the fun come from. If you have a jacket, sit down to a boss man who had died to go through. Amazing. Corona. Coronavirus, we just the wonder how you killing us. I think it's serious, marvelous, no purpose for killing us. But that's what are we going to do with the passport?
Okay, so that was it from Paul G. Paul G. Judges, Reverend.
Paul G. At the same.
I'm here, me.
My man can someone show. Say, Opa say, what the reggae, a rap here, home. Memma or Cassano and content. This year, no, some are carrying on man tobacco cry. The empty size of Bobon Crubidin and a busy corona, a virus, if I show. My man can someone show. A competition now, woman. Say, beating Quania, they judge or the Becca's instrumentalist in idea. But owner or Casaya, no, the Metian is a coronavirus, I will book Rubidin, but maintain some power. And just a human out on would it America. But reggae so no in two Miricasa. So what I say, oh, to reggae, you have to relax of the rhythms. No. Now, at two and you know my auntie, some now a day. What can I say?
Okay. So if you want to keep Paul G in the competition, kindly take your phones, download the Ghana Got Talent application from the Google Play Store, and then vote as much as you can for Paul G to keep him in. Yeah, Touch Mediana Swa. Your next contestant, so yeah, Lucky Dube in your mind. Yeah, to the prison. Ain't Accra no free. Into Monta Michuku. Nian share ni profile. Ni din any AD boy. Yes, share ni profile.
Got talent.
Yeah.
It's AD boy. It's here for way munia AD boy. Mobile AD boy. I'll be to my friend Douglas. I'm out. How much way Kumewood Ghana Got Talent season 1. The person who make a competition. It's me also person who go to Mamia. Download the Ghana Got Talent app no. Or Google Play Store. Now what's searching for me? Douglas Amanfo, AD boy, now waiting here about your mammy. Shall me remember that way, any memory that we are. Our Kumewood TV, Ghana Got Talent, season 1. Madam. Education is the key. Crime don't pay. Somebody told me when I was still a little boy, he said to me, crime does not pay. He said to me, education is the key. Oh. As a little boy, I thought I knew what I was doing. Yeah, man. But today here I am in jail. I am a prisoner. I am a prisoner. I am a prisoner. I am a prisoner. Sure. I asked the policeman and say, how much must I pay for my freedom? He said to me, son, they won't build no school anymore. They won't build no hospital. They won't build no school anymore. They won't build no hospital. All they will build is prison, prison. All they build will be prison, prison. All they will build will be prison, prison. All they build will be prison, prison. Cause today, I am a prisoner. I am a prisoner.
Eddie boy, me I say, what a guan.
What I say?
Okay. And BAG. Nana Watma.
Eddie boy,
Sharp.
I didn't you know you're free, why? Are they? And now why a doll? What's up? Huh? Lucky Dube, offering him.
But you're free Jamaica.
Hey, Massa. Are you sure?
No, he's an African. African, sorry.
Come on, offering him.
South African, South African.
Into South Africa flag ni Krawi.
Pacho,
AD boy. Oh,
no,
it's okay. Thank you.
Okay, so if you want to keep AD Boy in the competition, take your phones, download the Ghana Got Talent application on the Google Play Store and the Apple Store to vote for him. Your next performer, on also Accra and free, Aketewese, Ninyoma Watson, the title, hey, Got You Baby, Got You Baby, and also Lucky Dube, and a yeah, Nidin and a Zara, Yenshani profile.
find a woman that can understand me. All the woman I had before never understood me. Hey, now that I found you, baby, I ain't gonna look no further. Now that I found you, baby, I ain't gonna look no further. Now that I found you, baby, I ain't gonna look no further. It's alright when you're there. So nice, so nice. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, baby. I got you, baby, to make me feel alright. I got you, baby, to make me feel alright. I got you, baby, to make me feel alright. Alright. Hey! I got you, baby, to make me feel alright. I got you, baby, to make me feel alright. I got you, baby, to make me feel alright. Ayo, 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 hey, ayo, 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 hey, ayo, ayo.
Wow. Judges, am I?
Yes, Zara. Yes, you were Zaracious. And you know, when you are on stage, we felt your presence, your facial expression, your movement. And you know, you were able to get the audience into your music. Because you were able to pull them inside. Okay? You've done well. And your costume also, it made you look nice.
Thank you.
Okay? You've done well.
Thank you very
Good.
much.
Zara. Hey, Zara, how old are you?
12.
12.
Yes.
Into energy now 12 years. Energy now so 12 years. And you media pan. What a guan. And then you miss I don't know because I say in Jamaica and you part one and you mete I don't know. Into Munina Mobina, one time you cool media pan and maybe Bissamo. Into Moba Muniano kama. Not to say, aha. Into Pesa Zara and Kajumedi anymore. For our phone, no. Download the Ghana Got Talent application. No, now for Voti, Emma Zara. No one Kajumedi anymore. Your next participants, no. Oh, yeah, lucky to be in your mind. You have to say back to my roots. Back to my roots. Not to say, no, dear. Say, dear, Sikika Chrono. Not to say, reggae, no. Obie Remubi. Back to my roots, no. Near Waya, no, Nidin, and a God's son. God's son. God's son. Yenshani profile.
Got talent.
Huyo nyamia Wenjuma fatao Oprimpo nyame Onsanu nyuma yengwangwa Etiefu August and Capital Enemy Day O share my life o kuma TV Ghana Got Talent Season 1 Yes we are say Obeko Google Play Store Now I download Ghana Got Talent app no ebeba we hu picture okogo san na wa search in na wa vote ama hwe me dey enemy me da bia e wo Kumawu TV Ghana Got Talent Season 1 Nyakubo inshira
Yeah, today we're gonna go back to yeah, reggae live. You see, come on, show. Yeah, let me see your hand there. Show. You ready? Come on, show. Hey. I went to a party the other night, and it was gonna be right. But when we were at the party, nobody. I was disappointed. Hey! So, all we could hear what they cocado. We could hear one day should be to be. So, hey! And the music they play was no good. Alright, that summer, yeah, was no good for any job. Let's show. I'm going to my roots, yeah. Reggae music, that's all that I need. I'm going back to my roots, yeah. Reggae music is all that I need. Come on, let's go. Yo, yo, so. Reggae is mine, yeah. Come on, reggae is mine, yeah. Listen, reggae is mine, yeah. So, reggae is mine, yeah.
Okay, so that was it from God's Son. Judges, Reverend.
God's Son.
Sir.
Ura mukama. Edru baby, nim baby a fire kwesi akire. Ubesi akire say pine. Onim drummers na abo awo instrumentalists no and ya pe bibi ma wo. But all the same you have the voice to sing reggae. So you are good for that. You have the voice to sing the reggae. I know I've seen that today your energy level was high.
Thank you.
Into why idea say oh yeah but nim say ufri kojanchu ho na eba because me heard the way I was if abo dukuya and I wish that say na usua kojanchu ankasa why are they have the voice to sing reggae but next time I shall time in year.
Okay, thank you.
Why?
Thank you.
Na chire nsu na nsam na akeka na asa ode ne number bi kakra asa wutimi free nsam na wo kan ma no asa twa besi mo nyame nshira wo talent nso no.
Thank you.
Okay, so Pastor God's Son and Kajumedi anymore of our phone. Download the Ghana Got Talent application and have a vote and my God's Son. Now on Kajumedi no emo. Na yet Kajumedi no so. Next contestants no. Or Yanyuma needing any man down. Ariana and a boy ye. Rihanna and a man down. Needing any ohema. Yanson Sanfra ohema.
Yeah. Yeah. Let me see your hands in the air. Come on. I didn't mean to end this life. I know it wasn't right. I can't even sleep and I can't get it off my mind. I need to get out of sight, for I end up behind bars. What started out as a simple altercation turns into a real sticky situation. Me just thinking on the time that I'm facing makes me wanna cry. Yeah, cause I didn't mean to hurt him. Could have been somebody's son. And I took his heart when I put out the gun. Rum pa pa pum, rum pa pa pum, rum pa pa pum. Man down, rum pa pa pum, rum pa pa pum, rum pa pa pum. Oh mama, 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 I just shot a man down. He's Central Station in front of a big golf crowd. Oh, yeah. Oh mama, 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 I just shot a man down.
a criminal. Man down, tell the judge, please give me minimum. Run out of town, none of them. Hey, mama, 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 I just shut it. It's a station. Run up a bigger
Okay, that was it from Ohima. Judges.
Ohima.
Auntie.
Oh, yeah, guy, what?
That.
And never who saw energy level near very high. Oh, yeah, dear. And alcohol jogging. Wow. And then one moment, why are dear pa? Keep it up, why?
Okay, so if you want to keep Ohima in the competition, kindly take your phones, download the Ghana Got Talent application on the Google Play Store and vote as much as you can for Ohima. Our next contestant performing Bob Marley's One Love. His name is Kwame P2. Let's watch his profile.
Ghana Got Talent. Hello Ghana for it's your boy Kwame P2 but I will share my life Kumawu TV Ghana Got Talent 2020 me patro tamason o pese me course competition mu an call for phone call Google Play Store download the Ghana Got Talent 2020 and season 1 app no me patro biem ne bo Kwame P2 patro spelling in here KUAM I know the P2 now so me patro go to mama share me this Saturday, every Saturday, we are Kumawu TV. The patrol made them as Yakubu Ishram B Mankame. B. Mommy, I said one team to company you film Kwame P2 me shame. Let's together to company fire, your phone, fache. One love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright. Here to the crying, give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Say, let's get together and feel alright. Okay, you're here peace, you're here free, you're here freedom. Share your love, share your friends love. Love your friends like yourself, love your friends now. Tell your sister, tell your brother, tell your mama. Kwame P2, me do me na. Where your footu. Makame ba. Where your fanti. Ghana Got Talent, yeah, one team. Ghana Got Talent, yeah, PC. Ghana Got Talent, yeah, the masse. Reverend, Anna Watima. M.I. Madam Erica. One love. Share your friends love. Hey, share your friends love. One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. Here to the crying. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Say, let's get together and feel alright. Hey.
Okay, that was Kwame P2. Am I?
Yes, Kwame P2.
Boss.
And then I'll be graduating from P2 to P3.
Thank you.
You've really done well.
Thank you.
Say, Otu Reggae, I like it. You made it your own. Wow, creative message. You took the beat, you took the chorus, but the message in wow, creative idea. And I love the energy.
Thank you.
That's it. Oh yeah, there.
Okay, so Pesa Kwame P2 and Kajumedi anymore. For phone no. Download the Ghana Got Talent application no Google Play Store. Afi wo download dia no vote. Ama Kwame P2 na wakajumedi no emo. Na me kai wo say wo hye me eye Kumawu TV. Mesi Kumawu TV ya ye die mo. Se wakwa adwuma bre adwendwen ahya wo so. Okra aboto a tuni fatu Kumawood. Eho niema pa. ya ye die mu ne free ye man mu ene ye de ma wonu ma ene so wo bonwum ye mu aye de eye champion band ena e bo ne de sa no na me kai wo se me nso a me di dwumade mu tia me se de enim dada na no tewa ka chiri kwa me bafo me ana me di dwumade mu atia me ne ye to aso ye next performer no oye rapper na wo ye Stone Boy nyuma ya to din se Rango ena wo ye ni din ene Spanky ye nso ne profile.
Got talent. Yeah, minimum dada, some Jimmy, Yana, me better be waiting at them, yes, Spanky. Rap na me teacher when I be who but hitting that and with them and I'm sending me a comedy. My arm strong and but sir, this is your boy Spanky, call me Rap Panther. You are watching me live on Kumaru TV, Ghana Got Talent. So up a semi-cut Jumadi man, and once over Google Play Store. Download the Ghana Got Talent app. DM, Ube me picture. Just click on it. Vote for me. Share me live this and every Saturday on Kumaru TV. Ghana Got Talent.
Reverie Barration. Tell me where we gonna rango. Hey, Peter K. It's a me bless. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Tell me where we gonna rango. After making our motherland a better place to live. Tell me where we gonna rango. When them say we have to pay for the oxygen we breathe. Answer me now, Mr. Big Man. You know, she say everybody want to go round, go referee. Simple lie. If it's so we want to live, give me food, give me clothes, give me love and give me shelter. Yeah. Simple lie. If it's so we want to live, give me food, give me clothes, give me love and give me shelter. Yeah. Who if you hear me please? This is why me I sing where I sing from the deep. Dynamic tell me I feel like to weep. Holy party in the Walkman where the people can sleep. But the anytime me come here so feel speak. You are the one to make life easy. Same you are make it harder. After everybody mash up and there is nowhere to scatter. Tell me where we gonna rambo. After making our motherland a better place to live. Tell me where we gonna rambo. And then say we have to pay for the oxygen we breathe. Answer me now, Mr. Big Man. You know this say everybody wants to go round for refereeing. Simple lie. If it's so we want to live, give me food, give me clothes, give me love and give me shelter. Simple lie. If it's so we want to live, give me food, give me clothes, give me love and give me shelter. Yeah. No for them sell out. Boom, them sell out. For selfishness, we see them sell out. Greedy life, speedy life. Them tell the lie. They do, they will always try to hide. Yeah, call it spade, don't call it a dagger. Living bigger than friends of a brother. You don't have no pride, you think richer is a robber. God never forsake the poor. Hey, call it spade, don't call it a dagger. Living bigger than expense of a brother. You don't have no pride, you think you richer is a robber. God never forsake the poor. Tell me where we gonna rambo. After making our motherland a better place to live. Tell me where we gonna rambo. When them say we have to pay for the oxygen we breathe. Answer me now, Mr. Big Man. You know she say everybody wants to go round, go referee. Simple lie. If it's so we want to live, give me food, give me clothes, give me love and give me shelter. Yeah. We the pump on in the yard. Yeah, Spanky. Me don't say me not the best in the universe. Spanky.
Me a diggy like guys. You know me.
Hey.
That's me.
Judges.
Spanky.
Mama.
Me dear Kwan.
We did fun there.
Charlie. That was marvelous.
Thank you.
You killed the music. Come on. Thumbs up.
Thank you, Mama.
Thanks.
Spanky. What dear said I didn't see Kaka no we no. Miss any okay can I make a have many megua dear why?
You know, say you're not the best.
Yeah, me that say. Me, no. Inti o pesa Spanky Kajume dear anymore. Offer phone now download the Ghana Got Talent application no. O download there. Now for vote. Emma Spanky no one Kajume dear anymore. Your next performer. Kete we say. Akaketo asano. Asano osa. No osa na was near go. Nidin any shura. Yansha ni profile.
Got talent.
Hello, amateur, you didn't show. You are one talent. You might be coming. The amateur, meaning that you need that you are. Ocean of community. Ghana one talent. Nothing to mess with me. What's in the country? So, move to Mama. Ogogo Play Store. The dollar, Ghana one talent. Don't die. Take a soup. Don't issue.
Reverie Barration. Tell me where we gonna run go. Hey, peace again. It's a me bless. Oh yeah, yeah. Tell me where we gonna run go. After making our motherland a better place to live. Tell me where we gonna run go. When them say we have to pay for the oxygen we breathe. Answer me now, Mr. Big Man. You know, they say everybody want to go run, go referee. Simple life. If it's so we want to live, give me food, give me clothes, give me love, and give me shelter, shelter. Simple life. If it's so we want to live, give me food, give me clothes, give me love, and give me shelter. Yeah. You know if you hear me, please. This is how me I sing, where I sing from the deep. Don't you know me, God tell me I feel like to read. Holy party na go on where the people can keep, can sleep. But the Benny tell me, come here, so fi speak. You are the one to make life easy. Tell me what make it harder. After everybody mash up, then there is nowhere to scatter. Tell me where we gonna run go. After making our motherland a better place to live. Tell me where we gonna run go. When them say we have to pay for the oxygen we breathe. Answer me now, Mr. Big Man. You know they say everybody want to go run, go referee. Simple life. If it's so we want to live, give me food, give me clothes, give me love, and give me shelter, shelter. Yeah. Simple life. If it's so you want to live, give me food, give me clothes, give me love, and give me shelter. Yeah. No for them sell out. Both them sell out. Be selfishness, we see them sell out. Speedy life, greedy life, them tell the lie. The truth they will always start to hide. Okay. Yeah. Call it them, don't call it a dagger. Living bigger the expense of a brother.
So that is Inshira dancing to the reggae tune. Am I?
Yes. Before I talk on Inshira, MC, we are the judges and we have to make something clear. Otherwise, some people might think we are doing something biased. You see, with Inshira, you entered in so early because it was the same song. We know where you entered, but we hear you came in earlier. I've been observing something like that, and we are not happy about it. Okay? If it is 3 minutes, 3 minutes for all. If it is 1 minute, it should be 1 minute for all. It is a fair deal. Okay? Inshira, you mash up the stage. Me love that. Why are there? Why? What's that? Now, abano papa there na say one there. Oh, papa na demand. Oh, okay. Why are there? You've been versatile. Oba for from osa doa. What's a baby? A beka krana or salsa. Basasa de ma on sawaha. Why are there? What? Keep it up.
Okay, so that was Inshira. And if you want to keep Inshira in the competition, kindly take your phones, download the Ghana Got Talent application, and then vote for Inshira to keep her moving in the competition. One ma wakano, watami chuku, nene, energy nevem no baby a free no, ano edin, Jamaica ton, na ye chaya waja from Kratoaba, yeba, yebetu ajumedie eso.
Yɛsan ɛma wakwaba ɛdeba Ghana Got Talent dwumadie a yɛdi no ɛwɔ ɔman yi mu na wei ɔman yi mu afa na baabi a sɛdeɛ yɛnim no Ghana deɛ adoma kyɛdeɛ no Nyankopɔn wakyekye ne do so po wabɔ ne bɛdɛ ɛna wato abɔ Ghana man na wei ne yɛkyi ne man yi mu afa na baabi a adoma kyɛdeɛ baabi ɛhyɛ ɛne atabiri ɛne ɛde abrɛ wɔ nti tena se na hwɛ yɛn ne yɛn bɛte talent no na hwɛ ɛnɛ mese ɛyɛ reggae ɛna yɛde ɛkɔ nti yɛn next contestant no ɔno nso ɛyɛ nnwoma a ɛyɛ I've got jar Lucky Dube ɛna ɛyɛ ne din ɛne Easy yɛn hwɛ ne profile
Ghana for Easy me wo Ghana Got Talent dwumadi no me sɛ wo sɛ wo di vote ebeta mechi na we ko Google Play Store no download Ghana Got Talent application no ɛwɔ hɔ no wa vote di ama me Saturday bi ya ahwɛ me ɛwɔ kuma wuti na me be hyira ya sa fa boa me na me ntimi ne ngunim ɛwɔ dwumadi na me hyira Ghana for
Keep on telling people about something you don't know. They will hate you. Tell them about yourself. They say you a boss. They will like you. Talk them about somebody. They say you a gossip. They will love you. But let me tell you about somebody who doesn't care when you tell people about his name. I've got him. He's mine. He's in my heart every day. Everybody, I've got a job. He's mine. He's in my heart every day. Come on. I was a gambler, I was a killer. Do you know the bad things you can think of? But the Almighty God looked up on me and had mercy on me. Oh! I've got him, he's mine, he's in my heart every day. Everybody, I've got a child, he's mine, he's in my heart every day. Ah! I was a gambler, I was a killer. Do you know the bad things you can think of? But the Almighty God looked up on me and He had mercy on me. I've got it, He's mine, He's in my heart every day.
Ja Rastafari.
Rastafari.
Okay, judges.
Yeah, Easy. What your man say? You do a pan? You do a pan? Yeah, me love that. Me love that. Me want livicate that song to me holy brother. Me love that. You, why are there? You know, I like the way you command the stage. You have power with your voice, and the stage you're able to command the stage. That is the sign of an artist. I always tell you, say a performance now perform media. I'll pay and come and watch because I wouldn't be bored. Because you make me look Uma me cry no. Eke kane ho.
Thank you.
You know, you are good. Keep it up, okay? But next time, don't be focusing too much on the band. Okay? There are some stages you won't see the bandsmen. They are behind you.
Okay.
Obaka could be a stage in Umako Helmana. You know, so focus on us.
Okay.
Blessed.
Thank you.
Okay, so that was easy for you. If you want to keep him in the competition, kindly take your phones, download the Ghana Got Talent application on the Google Play Store or the Apple Store, and then vote for him to keep him moving in the competition. Our next contestant doing Lucky Dube's Don't Cry. His name is Tikali. Let's watch his profile.
Got talent. The boys Tikali won the MIC. Men, right. Ghana Got Talent to Medina Barcelona. May force us in the country and never for me. They between you and I'm signing them sign rapid. So when you that, shall me in that way. Enemy in the Biara, Okuma Wood TV, Ghana Got Talent. Mr. Robert M. Medina. Rapping store, slow down with the Ghana Got Talent app. Statistically, and one STICALLY. Yet then vote, slow vote. Was my Diablo, Ashanti mine, that was. Got talent. The boys Tikali won the MIC. Men, right. Ghana Got Talent to Medina Barcelona. May force us in the country and never for me. They between you and I'm signing them sign rapid. So when you that, shall me in that way. Enemy in the Biara, Okuma Wood TV, Ghana Got Talent. Mr. Robert M. Medina. Rapping store, slow down with the Ghana Got Talent app. Statistically, and one STICALLY. Yet then vote, slow vote. Was my Diablo, Ashanti mine, that was. Got talent. The boys Tikali won the MIC. Men, right. Ghana Got Talent to Medina Barcelona.
It's your boy Stickali, under the eye, Kai. How the bad man can get the altar, the Sasayatai. Juan, reggae night. Today's reggae. Let me see hands if you're Rastaman. Every time I say I'm going, I can see you wanna cry. Every time I say I wanna go, I can tell you wanna cry. Thinking of the lonely nights when I'm not there. Thinking of the lonely days when I'm gone. Oh, cho. Thousands of people wanna see me. Millions are waiting for the message I say. Billions are dying for this message. I am going round the world spreading the message. I'm going round the world spreading the word. Don't cry, baby, don't cry. Cho. Ayakrika. Missy Day. Don't cry. Missy Day. Oh, Missy Day. M.I. Don't cry. Missy Day. Don't cry. Reverend. Don't cry. Auntie. Cho. Rastaman. What one?
Sure. Okay, so that was it from Stickali, Reverend.
Ayakriki. Na, tio, ayakriki. Me, ade ki na fire no. Amwao. Na, okin on minim say only one more communicate. I don't know. Kia offer no an akaso mumboma. And I saw man a share on it because if you want what's on my day? Oh, Moman Churokino. Now, one Kazakina to Neki Bay.
Like rehearsal.
Hey,
yes, me and
what you did, baby? Share, tie, my mental. One mono, a tear voice, you know. I know almost as a side key, you know. Because they know more bono. Oh, voice, I just say now, Tiam, no, if you best sound who key how far the buy no more, almost to sound mutono. Quickly, ma, almost crown, almost wow. It must just the next time work on those things. Share. I hana yet in all. Man, you imagine say what to be what to have a word you. Yaw aswa ye di tie de wo ye no. Enti wo ma to be say ni near make us why idea. So did I make a chiro no. Eti Mr. a competition mu na wo no. Oh pass next time no. Work on nefe bra rehearsals. Say one marry rehearsals. Enti no de wo fa free na no abeto no. Nyame nka ho.
Okay, inti sa opese stickally enka dwumadi ni mu a ofa phone na o download the Ghana Got Talent application na afei wa vote ama stickally na waka dwumadi ni mu na afei ye the credits no na ase no ebe ma champion band if it's an enwumre de wonuma woje won kwa no eye bebre inti champion band ye twa mo prose say enenso mo bonwuma pa your next contestant or yanwuma eye Lucky Dube and eye and you know, Eddie and a blessed in hand. Needing any minister, treasure, yen shiny profile.
Ebenezer, the Radigi Maba baby. A minister treasure. Maba, Ghana Got Talent Season 1. Mr. Mo, Demia, a goat. Kumasimine, Buedi, Emina, and an important take. Call Google Play Store, a walk phone also. Download the app on Ghana Got Talent app. Neshe, Minister Treasure. Ne vote mami na vote ya miss me new number de erade de adome no me pu amawawunu nya me onhira se obe vote ya mami me minda we ene me minda bi ahwe me okumawu Ghana Got Talent nya go onhira Ebenezer de erade di maba be nya ne treasure mami a minister treasure maba Ghana Got Talent Season 1 Mr. Mo de mi ya vote Kumasimine, Buedi, Emina, and an important take. Call Google Play Store, a walk phone also. Download the app on Ghana Got Talent app.
What type of a rich man are you? Who doesn't care about the helpless people? What type of a rich man are you? Who doesn't care about the poor people? What type of a rich man are you? Who doesn't care about the poor people? What type of a rich man are you? Who doesn't care about the helpless people? They read in the Bible and understand what it says. It says, blessed is the hand that giveth, not the one that taketh. Blessed is the hand that giveth, not the one that taketh. Blessed is the hand that giveth, not the one that taketh. Aho! What's? If you feeling happy, sing another man with no food. I said, did you feeling happy? See another man. loving. They read in the Bible and understand what it says. It says, blessed is the hand that giveth, not the one that taketh. Blessed is the hand that giveth, not the one that taketh. Blessed is the hand that giveth, not the one that taketh. Blessed is the hand that giveth, not the one that receive it.
Okay, so that was Minister Treasure. Judges.
Minister Treasure.
Yes, Mom.
That was fabulous.
Thank you.
You done well. By the way, we said not a how. I don't know one ribbon. Reggae, yes, Chinchina was a mean a good home. Thought I say.
Yeah.
Now, Mike standing also so no. Sonanka was all this cinching because at the end of the day, you didn't use it. Ewa. Until next time, no, not the cinching, not a paved way. I'm out to me. Asa, why?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, if you want to keep Minister Treasure in the competition, kindly take your phones, download the Ghana Got Talent application on the Google Play Store or the Apple Store, and then continue voting for him to keep him in. Our next performer is an acrobat and the acrobatics and a warrior needing any faith power. Faith power. Yenshani profile.
Got talent.
Hello Ghana, the friend John Amafo, aka Faith. But that Raja said, and then you can come Ghana Got Talent. Now, we share voting on here. Open Google Play Store. Now, download Ghana Got Talent app now. Who click this one? Johnny Faith. Vote on it. That was our vote. Show me that we are now meeting John Amafo, aka Faith. Faith, capital F-A-I-T-H. Faith. And that was.
A wonderful performance. A wonderful performance from Faith Power. Judges.
Faith, today I want to give you money. Today, I won't say anything, but I'm giving you money. Okay?
Yes, Faith Power. Faith Power, to be sincere with you, you are very powerful. You are very powerful, and you don't cease to amaze us. To me, you are the performer for the night. I don't know of the other judges, but to me, so far, so very good. You've really done well. Now, last week you heard something. You said, "Atopa oya de." To buy out the atopa the besha say. But Madam Fubi, or say atopa na baba be home. Now watch no be come. Thank you. Good work.
Okay. Inti sa opese Faith Power enka dwumadi ni mo a fa wo phone. Download the Ghana Got Talent application no. Or download here na fe wa vote ama Faith Power. Your next contestant, Accra no free. The whole Accra. King of Beats. Or no, I no. Eshe beats no. And then you may yen profile.
Yeah. Mobo, I mean, no can I sorry no pop. It is a ultra bomb ya with a pop na mini baby co. Baby dum so baby son to me for pingo metico. The metia co. The young folk people. Yen yet dear fata. Wouldn't me send me to one casa. But when the nefamico who was to afford to be air bomb pata. You who here no one sucker. You do on a job on your papa. I mean, from a kuma to a basasuna me from Munya think about papa. Wouldn't me that I would do. Well. That's our rhythm. Yeah, reggae music. Yeah. Yeah. That's our rhythm. Bomba clat. My body never more than yesterday than being a mebo. The media no man yet to patch me bombing coco. Being a me mobile, the best me while you cinemato. Sika coca waka cracker pants in the the cat you only sat in the bottle. We don't in the bottle. Obe honeymoon on the moon, catch me yeko. Memuakuma muko, Timamina Kuma Yekoto, Benko Sonkachi, and our Mrs. Tanka the bottle. Baby, get a good for me. Yeah.
Okay, King of Beats, Reverend.
Okay, King of Beats.
Sir.
Well, then, no, the Bobby to now say to me to John.
Yes, sir.
Good. Don't say, you can say, Obi your talent. I know you have a real talent. Ultimate at Sisa Onino in different kinds of sound. Because Obia Obo beats, Nene. I know it's about 3 or 4 people, they beat me, a Bobby, way boy, no way boy. But I won't call ultimate Oneno, a bony pammy and San Edia, meaning say you are really good. But the American show and say, you don't want to stream more so that you go far. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
I mean, sure, tonight you done well.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so if you want to keep King of Beats in the competition, for phone no Google Play Store, download the Ghana Got Talent application no na fe vote Emma King of Beats na onka dwumadi emo. Your next contestant ono so oboase na free the whole boase oka ala star obi animo no ono so oye lucky the be nwom a what to say nobody can stop reggae nidin any NKB yen share the profile.
Got talent.
I can face tomorrow. Yeah, Ghana for it's your boy NKB. Ghana Got Talent season 1. Oh, Kumeu TV. Ena, Bugu Rosi. You read the Asha say, if you have some keep more competition, you more. Obeko Google Play Store, not download the app no NKB. Do me picture ewo. She remember in that way. Any women they be ewo Kumeu TV. Ghana Got Talent.
Got talent.
I can face tomorrow. Yeah, Ghana for it's your boy NKB. Ghana Got Talent season 1. Oh, Kumeu TV. Ena, Bugu Rosi. You read the Asha say, if you have some keep more competition.
Reggae in the bathroom, reggae in the bedroom, reggae everywhere. Reggae in jail, reggae in church, everybody likes it. They try to kill it many years ago, killing that prophet of reggae, destroying that prophet of reggae. But somebody said to all the bonehead, respect the Rastaman, cause he's the only one left in Jakiri. Everybody, let's go! Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae, cause reggae is strong. Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae, cause reggae is strong. They tried to destroy it many years ago, killing the prophets of reggae, destroying the prophets of reggae. But somebody said to all the bonehead, nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae, cause reggae is strong. Everybody, let's go. Nobody can stop reggae. I said there ain't nobody can stop. Oh, nobody can stop reggae, cause reggae is strong. Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae, cause reggae is strong.
Okay, so that was NKB. Nana, what's man?
NKB. I don't know, panties, sir. All the same. I don't know the mic in it to perform as a performer. Mic stand is watching. You should have fixed it in. Next time, don't do that. By the way, or lots, you know, how you are shorter, it will be better. Eh? Eh?
Got talent.
Me come for jaso. Bantama for. Adam kwa me esanso for. Mo amuni abali eni. Me kagana got talent. Jumedi ayeba bedie no. Na sese ya dwumadie no eye vote ne de kɔ anim wate ase enti sɛ wan go to amame a me ni hwe eye wɔ ade no enti de me so wo nyina ne sɛ to Google Play Store na download Ghana Got Talent app no wo download wi a hwehwɛ Lee edini ye LIEE Lee na vote dodo bia obe vote bia vote mame na hunu sɛ wo vote no so na mama ka akansie no wote ase enti no hwɛ na vote mame na mentime enkɔ manim ewo Ghana Got Talent dwumadie no hwɛ me memenda wei ene memenda bia a ebebe bia ewo Kumawo TV Ghana Got Talent wate ase mame too wɔ hɔ.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Somebody told me about it when I was still a little girl. He told me crime does not pay. He said to me, education is the key. Yeah, man. As a little girl, I thought I know what I was doing. Yeah, man. But today, here I am in jail. I am a prisoner. I am a prisoner. I am a prisoner. I am a prisoner. Cha. Woo! It's a Latiai. Hey, man. I look all around me, but to see nothing. But the whole wide world is staring at me. The policeman said to me, they won't build no schools anymore, or they'll be prison. They won't build no schools anymore, or they'll be prison. There will be no schools anymore, or they'll be prison. Cause today I am in jail. I'm a prisoner. I'm a prisoner. I'm a prisoner. Dear Lord. I asked the policeman and said, how much must I pay for my freedom? But he said to me, yeah, they won't build no schools anymore. They won't build no hospitals. They won't build no schools anymore. They won't build no hospitals. All the bill will be prison. All the bill will be prison. All the bill will be prison. All the bill will be.
Okay.
I am no.
A wonderful performance from Lee. Judges.
Yes, Lee, you've done well. Seriously. You have the voice. You are able to be in your key. You never went off your key. You sang it. Someone came to do this same song, and it's obvious you are the maker of the song. We could hear you. We could understand you. But when you are singing somebody's song, as a stage performer, you have to research a bit. You know, your pronunciation, education, not education, okay? And some of these little things. You get them, then you look like a professional. Okay? But we normally don't look at them. But it's very important. Why are they? Prisoner. God bless you.
Okay, until Pesali and Kajumedi anymore. For our phone, ko Google Play Store, download the Ghana Got Talent application no Nevoti Emily. Now on to Jumediano Eso. Near Odiho, Nidin, any Rockstar Junior. Or Yanyuma, a yeda Simbre Jamina, and a ye. What you didn't say, you stole my heart. Yen Shani profile.
Got Talent. Hello Ghana, I'm Forsen K. Brown, but I go by the name Rockstar Junior Associate. Ghana Got Talent season 1 and of course Raja Tomus movie. Baby so ya the mammy. So far for now. Google Play Store, not down the Ghana Got Talent app. The way I say, Ubima, Ubu baby, but keep on selecting Ubumia, Forsen K. Brown, and answer Rockstar Junior. Also, the Boatman Monsieur. Shame Ghana Got Talent season 1. Saturday Beya, any Saturday Bia, oh, Kumo TV, Ghana Got Talent. One come and meet me, then Bessa my mamma. Rockstar. Got Talent. Hello Ghana, I'm Forsen K. Brown, but I go by the name Rockstar Junior Associate. Ghana Got Talent season 1 and of course Raja Tomus movie. Baby so it's your boy Forsen K. Brown, but I go by the name Rockstar Junior. Let's all support Ghana reggae music. Rockstar, you got to know. Tell me I want to love you, and I will. I don't mind whatever it is. You are the only one I want and no one else. I wanna know, let me know, tell me now. I'll do anything for you, 'cause my life means nothing without you. You stole my heart and made it yours. Oh girl, so I wanna live without you. You made me strong when I was weak. Oh girl, so I wanna live it your love. You stole my heart and made it yours. Oh girl, so I wanna live it your love. You made me strong when I was weak. Oh girl, so I wanna live it your love. Call me when you feeling darling, feeling blue. I come running straight to you, girl. I'm gonna hold you all night long and sing this song from my heart and my soul, girl. I'll do anything for you, 'cause my life means nothing without you. You stole my heart and made it yours. Oh girl, so I wanna leave it your love. You made me strong when I was weak. Oh girl, so I wanna leave it your love. You stole my heart and made it yours. Oh girl, so I wanna leave it your love.
Okay. So that is Rockstar Junior. That is Reverend.
Unim. Rockstar. Maybe I was say intro ni biem. Your intro ni biem. I'm here voice adi intro.
Hey Ghana, is your boy Forsen K. Brown.
Voice when adi intro no. Voice when adi intro no. O starting intro na here first no. First I voice na here intro no. Maminti.
Hey Ghana, is your boy Forsen K. Brown.
Unim. Minim ki kura boy. But I want to tell you something. And you know now to watch one as now to watch Reviasi. Share Unim. May Sreminiano may ma just 1 minute. And you know 2 years no. Sa Jumanta Momoano, Sa Tubium Naminti, 1 minute. May say Mount another chance you. for today. Action.
Hey Ghana, it's your boy Forsen K Brown, but I go by the Rockstar Junior. Let's all support Ghana reggae music. Rockstar, you got to know. Tell me how much I love you, and I will.
Brand, it's okay. Yeah, Paul. Also, what do I check the no? Rockstar. What talent are the baby? I see, I don't know. Eti, but the Yamias to say one man's talent. Who bet me a cop? Namisha.
Rockstar, last week you wowed us. So this week I was expecting something of a standard. But what's up, conform?
Yeah, I'm a fault.
What marry Heza? Me, what marry Heza? So, next time, hey, Penyuma and no voice no the audio intro no. And then call from sir, key no crania yira, me who na me bisanze key bear no. Or see a new one ayaye, me say maintain that. So, Rockstar, next time, pick it up, okay?
But, Mr. Etiefo, Inspector Chia, Adam Kwame, Mechiao, Samuel, what no abusian for some more Ghana Got Talent. Eti Yamishamo, Inspector Chia, Adam Kwame Police Station, Yankoponyo Kessie. Mr. Adolfo Wofia Asia program is say, Fre Unia no Adam for be on Shekumo TV. Ghana Got Talent Jumediana Hasina Ekoso. Unyana will be at this TV station in Kwa. Now, all chance who are no our phone or not over to Eddie Ama favorite contestant. Said by a bit to make keeping on our program no answer Jumedi anymore. Inspector Chian say the favorite a king of beats. Enti Inspector Chian, king of beats say vote to Mano. Yamin Shroud.
Okay, into percent Rockstar Junior and Cat Jumedi Dima off our phone no. Oko Google Play Store, download the Ghana Got Talent application no. Ne vote Emma Rockstar Junior. No one to an nyuma pa. Oguswa wa ye no. Ewo Jumedi emo. Afei so ye that just has say. Ewo SMT a omode ama adesemai. Ye to so your next contestant or your comedian. Nene. Oh okay. Voice trumpeter. Or Yanyuma, Edin, any remember me, Lucky Dubé, and a boy, yeah. Yansha voice trumpeter, a profile.
Got talent.
Hello, people of Ghana. My name is Xavier, aka the Voice Trumpeter. I'm part of the Ghana Got Talent Season 1. If you want to keep me in the competition, you can go on Google Play Store, download the Ghana Got Talent app, and vote for me. You can also watch me live on Kumawu TV this and every Saturday.
Trumpeter. Nana Boatsima.
Voice trumpeter. You've done well. Your keys were okay. Your voice control was very good. Kudos. Thanks.
Thank you. Okay. If you want to keep voice trumpeter in the competition, kindly take your phones, download the Ghana Got Talent application from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store, and then vote as much as you can to keep him moving in the competition. And now our next contestant, he is a comedian, and tonight he is doing a song by Raskimonia. Sorry. The title, any Under Pressure. Under Pressure. Nidin any Ataje. Yensha the profile.
Got talent. Ataje New Ghana, Ataje 1, aka Adia Order, Eshe baby. Ghana for, Abono for, Asante for, all the 4 force in this country. Nsramo, Eyo Kuma Ghana Got Talent 2020. Tumadi ne Beshasi. Saturday we are by Saturday in Kayinala. Ataje, I am part of the program. Said you might met him Kama, New Jinaso. Nani Bibi. Bora Google Play Store, not download you. Ghana Got Talent app no. O download you say Kim. But Ataje pe says letters. Watch him, I'll appear. Next row, what go to a man pepe. 2020 come out Ghana Got Talent. Ataje, I am going to sport there. Show up! Hiya! Send me left to me left to break home Santilla. Tato miss me to be able to Soba. I am Monsignor. Yaba. One more time. Sobo. Come on. Akwele. Yeah. Akwele, some bicha. Akwele, yeka, yedi. Akwele, yenchekura na be. Akwele, ye. Yamai, akwele, yeka, yedi. Yeah, Akwele and Chakra na be. So, one over the song, what no song, one over the song, what no song, one over the song, what no song, one over the song, what no song. Mako Midum, Mato Mesam, Mato Mako, Mato Yadua, Mato Jene, Mato Kuma, Mato Menai, Media Bafia, Machu Tebru, Makamaria, Media Siso. Makomanum, Matebako, Matemenam, Miyamu. Yamai! Soba! Yamai, Semena Tomana, Soba! Yamai. Atage, my phone, Atage, my phone. Attaque, 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 my phone. Yeah, madam. Santino. Attaque, me Santino. Say. Mokoto musbrena. Mama bibi so. Na kabera na me hombo. Mi moto. Aje how.
Okay. Ataje. Me.
Yeah, man.
Midiepan.
Yeah, my
say. Judges. Am I?
Yes, Ataje.
Am I?
Ataje, what am I say?
We man see na postman and breakum katosiam to na push nyanga ya.
Me love that. Me love that. Oh yeah, patwa oni obi ni asem.
No pin post persuasion.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ataje, why are there? Utimiko can promise or Kojen and Pabwa. Essay, why are dear pa? Seriously, why are you no own? You just simple, and I like the fact that what about West Africa kakra? Obi e call lucky dubi na say na Ghana ye ni reggae artist. Obi a lucky dubi say omukonya no here. Also ba ya say yidian Raskimonia. Rasky phosphorus. Why are they?
Okay, Ataje. We know a kato patwa. Oh.
This one in pump to come to Katona Pishin with that.
Okay, not just a brekum ne free.
Yes, I am.
One way invented.
Yes, I am.
No. Not as a opesa Ataje Kajumedi anymore. Ofa phone now. Download the Ghana Got Talent application and I feed Voti Emma Ataje. Now one card Jumediano Emo. Your next performer. On the Central region, Nidin any dance like Habobia, Yen Shani profile.
Hello Ghanaians, I go by the name Dance Like Habobia. Ghana Got Talent 2020 Season 1, Upadi Region. It's a better action this Saturday, every Saturday, we will come out TV. Unless you vote, Upadi vote. Now, if you vote, call Google Play Store, let download Ghana Got Talent application on Apple. Boom, your pictures in install. Boom, your pictures in just vote for Dance Like Habobia. Shame of him from my top man chassis. Vote man. Madam.
She was smiling and she asked me a question that I proudly answered. She said, son, did you take time to know her? I said, Mama, she is the best. But today it hurts me so to go back and tell Mama that, Mama, I'm getting divorced. Oh, I'm getting divorced. This choice I made didn't work out the way I thought it would. This choice I made, oh, this choice I made didn't work out the way I thought it would. This choice I made, oh, Mama said to me, it's no easy, attended son, but I hope you make it, you'll be happy again. It's no easy to understand it, son, but I hope you make it, you'll be happy again.
Okay. That was Dance Like Habobia. Judges, Reverend.
Yo, Dance Like Habobia. Before say that maybe away in the sun, my baby 18th birthday on the 8th birthday. A year ama chiabwa. Nyamea domoa. Obusia force omodo. Intino omoma happy birthday. Obusia for ane o papa no ma menum se omodo pa. Ena unya no munyina ane ne manyina nyame hira. Dance Like Habobia. Ene ye de reggae oho. You are good. My catcher say for dancing oya de for cracks yane yi bibia ya de. Ti mesre wadofo say omunvo to mount. So I say to keep you into this competition. Why? I mean, should I be brave? And you know, Keep it up.
Okay. Inti vote Emma Abobia ofa phone na Ghana Got Talent application no o download ya no a vote Emma dance like Abobia no to adwumede no so esa. Your next performer Nidin ene Tom Desty or your strong man you ya to the say ghetto youth. Yen share profile.
Got talent. Nyamo ya ronda yo beat and one mo me free baby no madani bi mo nko bi dwa to anyame osofo atwa Ghana ro bi mu sam ye bentoa. Me dia ne Tom Desty the mastermind. So what ya say Ghana Got Talent dwumadi na ya sha ase no. So mo pese me gina mu che na me bu nsam ni hyem aso se free gi mu nsu a. Wo modern ko Google Play Store download the Ghana Got Talent app. We ya no mo bo mu Tom Desty. So what ya say na mo go to aye. Ama me mu se me de hye de me ni hwa moda. Me that way and me da bia no wahye. Go to Ghana Got Talent here mastermind.
Yeah, man. Let me tell you, say Rastaman don't fear anybody we do on our own thing. Yeah. 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 From the ghetto where we born and go. Seja domo ya no pa ko kwana ya TSC road. Asem ke to abeni besi ya ma Rastaman to blow. Rasta envy obini land and ampo send blow. Ya Rasta man ne wi akoko na ne ba Rasta ho. Rasta ni ye Kenya insu dire nwumra ye ni asoso. Wo hwe ye bia wani abobo. Wo de ne ye hu awoto asoso. Ye se gato ni ye nya kenke kura Rasta hia seto. Ya rakia de money ya fwanka Rasta man da si. Ti aban kan chire police for say Rasta for pepis. Obi di aban sika ye cheno Ghana my disease. Ya brene counter back etina Rasta man pepis. So Rasta man be boy ga my dey enu die nya mempe. Omo twetwa tire ne nam na Rasta for na mope. O wasin tuma etimi akwa SSD na wo hye. Otanfo a wo pe ye ni be boni tiri so I don't care. Get to youth, yes yes yes. Get to youth, get to youth, yes yes yes. Get to youth, get to youth, yes yes yes. Get to youth, get to youth, yes yes yes. Big up to Wow can say. Get to youth, yes yes yes. Get to youth, get to youth, yes yes yes. Big up to Wow can say. Get to youth, yes yes yes. Get to youth, get to youth, yes yes yes. Get to youth, get to youth, yes yes yes. Big up to Wow can say. Yeah man, Rasta man know the fear. The nipa be can we know the year. Yes, Satana yeba will be a she be a chichiman of Padi Cosi and Rasta yeba mumia pine. Yenumi yesu when Yamania, and yes, I get to Tianum Yamia pine. Media pan, Obia Bana Rasta and Cherasonia, Yetimuphobia, you ragga to the Obia, one won't stand here, Obia, hey, fire bond the Babylon, we know the fear we carry on. Get to you to hustle on, we choose to call a battle. God bless the Rasta man, yeah. We know the envy brother man, yeah. God bless the motherland, yeah. Respect the ganja man. Get to youth, yes, yes, get to youth, get to youth, yes, yes, get to youth, get to youth, yes, yes. Big up to Wow can say, get to youth, yes, yes, get to youth, get to youth, yes, yes. Big up to Wow can say, yeah man, yeah. Big up to all my reggae man, ganja man up there, yes, straight up, yeah. Pandey Street, straight up, master.
Okay, Tom Desty. Am I?
Ghetto youths, more shishio. Monko so and shishi. Ghetto youth to shishi. Yeah, Tom Desty. Yeah, you did well, but at a point you were screaming. You were shouting. Oh, shouting, yeah, you went off timing. O timing, o free mu, and I'll sabe mu. The fact say, all rap on the reggae beat, and make sure that you keep the timing. Pa. Okay, mistake. I want to free. No asaba. And no free, no one ya lucky, no akaho. Went to me, I'm about you like you to me, sabai. Okay, you've done well. Good.
Thank you.
Okay, so if you want to keep Tom Desty in the competition, kindly take your phones, download the Ghana Got Talent application from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store, and keep your votes coming to keep him moving. Our next contestant is doing a song by Lucky Dubé entitled Love Me. His name is Mickey Nash Boy. Let's watch his profile.
Got Talent.
I got to tell you something, I got to show you something, yeah. Baby,
I got to tell you something. I got to show you something. No, ooh, ooh, baby. Hello, Ghana. This is your boy, Mickey Nash Boy. Me, I'm doing the show, but the stage name is Mickey Nash Boy. Kumo TV. Ghana Got Talent. The patrol so person minka. Jumedi yuhuan. The obeya so be call Google Play Store. Download it. Ghana Got Talent app. Ube who me do or just type Mickey Nash Boy. MIKKY. Now I pop Nash. Now the boy na ka. Ube who me picture of him. Just boss keke. They both. Yeah. Bomb clear to the world. Yeah, man. To all the people, reggae 9 days. Yeah, man. Love me. Whose child am I gonna be tonight? Whose bed am I gonna sleep tonight? You told the other ones I was a brightest show. You told the other one I was a sister's child. Yeah, anytime they come to the house, I gotta change my name. Anytime they come to the house, I gotta change my identity. Whose child am I gonna be tonight? As they walk away with tears in his eyes, I felt every pain that he felt. I cried every tear that he cried. Mama, why? I wish I could love me the way I am. I wish I could love me the way I am. I wish you could love me, yeah, the way I am. I wish you could love me the way I am. Whose child am I gonna be tonight? Whose bed am I gonna sleep in tonight? You told the other ones that I was a brightest child. You told the other ones that I was sister's child, sister's child. Anytime they come to the earth, I gotta change my name. Yeah. Anytime they come to the earth, I gotta change my identity. Yeah. Whose child am I gonna be tonight? As they walk away with tears in his eyes.
Okay.
I felt every pain that he felt.
Mickey Nash Boy.
Yeah.
Reverend.
Mickey Nash.
Yes, sir.
But ɛnɛ deɛ wafiri mu ɛnɛ mepakyɛw woyɛ obi a wonim nnwom to wowɔ ne a yɛde to dwom but ɛnɛ paa deɛ baabi a daa yɛ deɛ ɛnsa nna hɔ biem ɛnyɛ ɔte mɛsrɛ wo sɛ because key a ɔmo bɔ ne key a wɔtɔ no ɛnyɛ pɛ obiara nam ne baabi ɛna asɛ wayɛ bɔ obi menim adɛn ɛkɔmɔdɛ o kɔsɛ why yo yɛde dwumadie no bɛwie yɛ na mesa nso ɛwɔ hye me dɔba ɛyɛ ama akyeaboa me wish wo happy birthday nyame adom a ɛkyina ɛna ɛyɛ wo birthday enti wadɔfo ɛnyinaa wo maame ɛne wo papa ɛna ɛsɛ memfa saa nkra wesei ɛma wo sɛ nyame adom a ɛkyina wo birthday no yɛrɛ ho no adi ne yie paa mɛba aba bɛbɔ wate happy birthday ama nyame nhyira wo bebree.
Okay, so pesa Mickey Nash boy and 12 Mediana Soa. Vote Emma no Google Play Store. Now download the Ghana Got Talent application na fe wa vote e de ama Mickey Nash boy no aka Jumediano emo. Jumediano ye de bepem na ene no ebinom kofie. Eno nti ye twa ye ho aba na ye ba ye behu wonu mu a omoma ye ba ba no. Yes, I am Wakwaba at the Bagana Got Talent, Jumedia so, Ewo Kumewood TV, and Samdakus TV, or YouTube. Yadawa says so what a brand what's not say, I shall be Pem Sam Pempensui. Make I was a woman was so yasne, a Champion Training Institute, and you may Champion Training Institute say. Ope biogas, biodigester, CCTV installation, car tracking, Brawonum Akache, our Adishia markets, and also more officer, our patase, Nafe, Yenya biogas, CBM Mao. Home number is 0244 568 912, 0244 568 912. Ofre championa, Ubenya Wonum, Afensi or Nakuski Massage and Wellness Center, Nakuski Sebra, or Hefa and Ayoya. Usisi, Uchepe, Watri Bramo, Hey, Ayeti, Odiabra, Yad water form, near your physiotherapy, I feel home basis or hoso, no apom ayawadin, now what to me as a reg nabnane. Or my number is 0242 932 000, 0242 932 000, or more patasi depo, a junior say, and a wonum ebutu, who almost one hour call Ambassador's Church, eso, Fred Nakuski, na Yantinet no wapum emao, I fancy your Annolin Royal Enterprise, Annolin say, whoop a live band behind, sound system, infidie papa, church instruments, microphones are all tonyoma as our phone air tonyum ewomo, Koonum Akache. Our chronom Adonko Johnson, a ho and a wonum war, or my number is 0244 073 525. Ofre Annolin Royal Enterprise. Wonum Ebejo so na fe or my penyamani nebi edia mouth of fefe. I face your New Eden Herbal Clinic. New Eden Herbal Clinic. Or no say a stroke and a yell. Or home comwa any sir. Heart attack, heart pressure, and a also. Diabetes, a day and a etete war, a doinya. New Eden, Esebra, Nayan Sawyare, where a nubna and habam ha. ɛne yɛde ɛsa yareɛ woba wɔnom akakye ɛwɔ patase depo a ɔmo nso wobɛhu wɔn na New Eden ahyɛw na wo ho atɔ ɔmo number ɛyɛ 0245 350-641 0245-350-641 Ofre New Eden Herbal Clinic womo bejo so na fe o ma show ye media partners said the mekaya no Comerwood ya ye diemo se wo fie dagye akyere so wani nye oreho ede na asa so ti New TV no fatu Comerwood ka kye wo nua bi no no so nka kye ne nua bi ye mfa nto Comerwood TV na fe ye release stress if ye diemo na ne mapa ewo inti koso na hye afen so YouTube ubetumi ajoin e Sam Dakus TV ubetumi ahye e Facebook Comerwood TV na afen so Ghana Got Talent yankasa ye channels wo YouTube any Facebook nso wo follow a ubenya ye videos no wo ho enne ne wo ja ye nkwan no yemre no nti ye bone tewtew na yakọ me kai will say ene eye reggae ena omo yeye na wonu ma omo be kofie no omo ena omo votes ene omo performance ene ade ene amwa wonum nti wonum ekofie na said ye yenim no application no wo fie a wo hu se ne esi kro nti ene no enya fei na gebe chene tententen efisa asante for say kasadodo hoyi emfa hwema wonum wo fie no wo mu hunu say wo mu votes ni ade no enkoyie nti ene no wo ma na hompo enru ha nti ene o sha eye F to the L to the E to the X ono ano comments ne doso comments no so adoso afede wa bre wantumi amfa koto anyenkwan nti ene wose ono one moto nkwanta wa pai ene wada alomo nso ono nso to yenkra fribrekum ono nso say no wapem ewo dwumadi anim nti ene weinom ene omo ne yeto nkwanta apai ewo dwumadi yimo wonum o maka ene performances nyina no ye ne omo ena eto aso na ye best performer no eko ema faith power ono na ene judges no best performer if it's ene de oyeye no na ebragen so nti kosotena se na ehye aha faith power ena ajoin me ewo stage esui faith power ona wa join me no na chade ewo ha nti na chade no okay na chade yesi na chade na eba ya so ena ubenya wunya ne baby inti Ghana Got Talent dwumadi ye say your talents will be discovered ene aha ne yedimusi that's ene ye besan ehia jemre na hyeyen fra wunua no no so mfre ne nua eye Comerwood TV eho ena ne mapa no ewo Spanky odien ewie
Rebel liberation. Tell me where we gonna rango. Yeah, hey, this again. It's a me bless. Oh yeah, yeah. Tell me where we gonna rango. After making our motherland a better place to live. Tell me where we gonna rango. When them say we have to pay for the oxygen we breathe. Answer me now, Mr. Big Man. You know they say everybody want to go rango referee. Simple lie. It be so